Hi, I'm Dr. Naveen Poluvarpu. I'm a gastroenterologist and a transplant hepatologist. Today we're going to discuss about what belching is. It's a very common symptom that we come across in our clinic. Now belching is basically they get a lot of excess gas generally or belching, and then it comes out through the mouth as the belch. Um, Now, it is a very common symptom. A lot of diseases can present with belching, including very simple diseases or very benign diseases, which are non-harmful diseases, to something very serious like even cancers can sometimes present with belching. But luckily, most of the times, the belching reasons are generally non-harmful conditions. But as we generally say, if any symptom persists for more than 2 to 3 weeks, then please do not ignore. Get it checked. Okay. Now, belching generally happens because of excess acid generation in the abdomen, the tummy, and also if you're not having any proper bowel motion, we do tend to see this belching. Now, the most important treatment is the belching, and in fact, let's talk about the cause. The cause of belching predominantly is our diet and lifestyle changes. Now, often what we're seeing these days is the fast foods, and particularly the oily food that we're eating. And people are busy these days. They're eating on the run, not concentrating on eating in the right time, the right food, and in the right place. That often causes discomfort or problems in the intestine and functioning capacity, and that causes more acid and the gas generation, as we say in the common language, and that causes belching. So as I mentioned, the cause is basically our lifestyle and a dietary causes, and therefore the treatment lies in the same thing. Eating small amounts more frequently, identifying the food which makes the symptoms worse, and then trying to minimize it. See, the food, I can't give any magic regime to anyone, because the food I may tolerate, you may not tolerate it. And what you may tolerate, the other person may not tolerate it. So we have to understand your body more, eat the food that is obviously going to be tolerable. At the same time, eating in a balanced diet, eating small amounts more frequently, making sure that you give enough time to eat, and also having a good breakfast, lighter lunch and lighter dinner, less amount of carbohydrates, good amount of protein, would help in controlling your belching symptoms. But if it do persist for more than 2 to 3 weeks, please don't ignore. Get yourself checked with a gastroenterologist. Although it could be very simple or non-harmful diseases, but sometimes harmful diseases can also present with belching. So get yourself checked if things don't settle down very quickly. Thank you.